Now let's figure out how to connect and power the electrical parts. First, we will connect ESC and motors. If the color of the ESC wires of the output side matches with the color of the motor wires, the motor will rotate clockwise direction. If any of the two wires change their connection, the motor will rotate counterclockwise direction. In the input side, the red and black wires are power cables and the middle cable of 3 wires is the signal cable. This is how the connection between ESC and motors look like in practical. Now let's see how to connect ESCs to the power distribution board or PDB. PDB has 2 ports, plus and minus, at each corner of it. The ESC's red wires will be soldered to the plus ports and ESC's black wires will be soldered to the minus ports. You will notice that there will be one more plus and minus port left after soldering all 4 ESCs. These are for connecting the power module. Now this is how you can power the PDB. The output of the power module will be connected to the PDB through XT60 cable and the input of the power module will be connected to the battery. 2 ESCs of one arm will be connected to the motors in such way that they rotate in clockwise direction, and the other 2 ESCs will be connected in such way that the motors rotate in counterclockwise direction. The complete connection of the electrical parts look front side, and this is the pin diagram of its back side. The front side indicates the channels for 9-channel receiver of the remote and the connection for power module and UART. The back side pin diagram indicates the output pins for ESCs, which are marked as main out. It also indicates the connection ports for telemetry module, I2C and GPS. The interior of the APM Pro mini flight controller looks something like this. Now we will connect the data cable of the power module to the APM to APM's front side. The APM data cable has 6 wires, 2 for VCC that goes to VIN pin, 1 for current sensing that goes to CUR pin, 1 for voltage sensing that goes to VDL pin, and 2 for ground that goes to GND pin. Now this is how the connection looks like in practical while connecting power module to APM or PIC-SOC. Now let's connect ESCs to the APM. We already know that the power cables are connected to power distribution board, and now we are going to connect the signal cables to the APM to its backside. The signal cables contains 3 wires. Signal goes to S1, VCC goes to V1 and ground goes to G1. In this way, 4 ESCs of 4 arms of the drone will be connected to 4 signal pins of main out S1, S2, S3 and S4. Now let's connect the receiver to the APM. Take a look at the top and side view. The signal pins are at top, then the VCC and then the ground. This is the diagram of APM's front side. The VCC goes to VCC, ground goes to ground, and the channels are connected to CH pins respectively. Now we will connect the radio telemetry to APM's backside where TELEM is indicated. The connection is simple. RX goes to TX, TX goes to RX, VCC goes to VCC, and ground goes to ground. If we use Bluetooth, the connection is exactly the same. Now finally, the GPS. The GPS has 2 cables. The I2C is for external compass and the GPS cable. They are also marked at APM's backside as I2C and GPS. The connection is simple. Just follow the connection diagram. SCL goes to SCL, SDA goes to SDA, VCC goes to VCC, ground. Learned how to connect the components of drone properly, don't you? So now get your tools and make your hands dirty until your drone is ready. Because in the next episode we will learn about the controller remote and make our drone move. Until then, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon.